Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to get a number of repetitions using pivot table. Okay, so what I have here is that I have number of days from day 1 to day 30. Okay, and also I have a list of defect numbers, okay, in each day. Okay, basically in every day I get a defect number, and that defect number is assume that you get only one defect number per day, and this defect number may be repeated for all the 30 days. Okay, so for example, here the defect number 1000 is repeated again on day 13. Okay, so my objective is get something like this. Okay, my objective is number of defect numbers, individual defect numbers, and their repetitions. Okay, for example, number of the defect number 1000 repeated 3 times in this month, 30 days. Okay, in other words, this 3 is nothing but number of days. How many days this defect number repeated. Secondly, for 1001 repeated twice, and 1009 is the maximum it repeated on 8 days. Okay, so this is my objective, to find the repetitions. My earlier video I also put how to get the this defect numbers and repetitions by using countif function, but now our objective is to find the repetitions using the pivot table. Okay, so this is my objective, and the sum of all the repetitions must come up with the total number of days. Okay, now I am going to show you how to use the pivot table to get the repetitions. Okay, what I need to do is I must select first these two columns, or probably only the defect number, because my calculation involves only on defect numbers. Then go to insert, then you can find the pivot table here. Okay, so I just include a pivot table. So this once I include the pivot table, it shows what is select a table or range. Okay, I selected this is the range. Okay, so then it also shows you want to, where do you want to put the pivot table report. Okay, to be placed, where do you want to place, but for clarity I put it on the existing worksheet so that we can compare our data. Okay, so I just put it here and just to press OK. So the pivot table report is here, and the number of pivot table fields are here. Okay, now what I have, since our range has only one defect number range, I have a defect number, only one field is available, which is defect pivot table report, as well as the only one field for pivot table fields to be selected. Okay, so I just select the defect number field here. Then you can see the row labels are 1000 to 1010 appeared here, and we need to count the number of repetitions. So select and put it in summation values, which is sum of defect number, which is meaningless. We want to make it as count of defect numbers, which is value field settings. Okay, then go here, count. Now you can see the count of okay, now you have, this is a label defect number. Count of defect numbers, which is nothing but repetition. Okay, so what we don't need a blank, so you just go here and uncheck the blank, and you can see its total is 30, its total number of days is 30, and each defect number is how many repetition it is given here. You can check and verify 3322 and 1009 is 8 times and 1010 is only once. Okay, so the result is same as what we achieved last time, the same result by the pivot table. You can take out this part and you can get number of repetitions of each defect number here simply by using or inserting the pivot table. Hope this video is helpful to you. Please subscribe to my channel so that you will see more videos coming on, and God bless you.